Hello class, today is Thursday, June 11th, 2020. And remember the quote is, I'm honest when I tell the truth. So pay attention class, today we're going to learn the beach. You know what is the beach? La playa, okay? So, pay attention. The first one is sand castle. So, repeat sand castle. Aquí quiero que pongas atención. Tú puedes ver que sand castle se escribe así y tú podrías pensar que se pronuncia sand castle, pero no es correcto. La pronunciación correcta es sand castle, ¿ok? Then we're going to have shell. Now the sea. Then we have boat. This is the boat, okay? We have crab, okay? So, everybody, open your book in page 108. And we're going to listen, okay? Pay attention.
Listening 150. Listen and point. Sandcastle. Beach.
Beach.
Crab. The sea. Boat.
Boat.
Shell. Beach. Boat.
Boat.
Crab. Sandcastle. The sea. Shell. Listen and repeat. Sandcastle. Beach.
Beach.
Crab. The sea. Boat. Shell.
Okay. Now pay attention. We are going to watch the video of the story, okay? Pay attention in the pronunciation.
Come on, let's make a sandcastle. That's a good idea. Let's play ball, Grandma.
Great. Okay.
Catch, Grandma. Wait, Billy. Oh, no. Sorry.
It's okay. Let's make another sandcastle together.
Look at our sandcastle now.
Okay, now pay attention. Pause the video and read the story aloud. Ahora vas a ponerle pausa al video y vas a leer la historia en voz alta, ¿ok? Now, when you finish, you play it again. Cuando termines, le vuelves a poner play para continuar. Close your class book and open open your workbook in page 108. So, pay attention. Everybody repeat after me. Beach, boat, crabs, shells, sandcastle, the sea. Now here you are going to look at the pictures and you are going to write the correct number. Now let's go to the next exercise, okay? Here you are going to look at the picture here and you are going to complete. For example, number 1 says, we are at the beach. It's all done. Then read the sentences aloud and complete, okay? And when you finish, close your workbook and finally, you are going to copy this and pay attention. Este es el ejercicio que me vas a mandar, ¿ok? Junto con las páginas del libro. En realidad sería solo el workbook en esta ocasión que me tendrías que mandar porque en el classbook no tienes que responder nada. Me vas a enviar únicamente este ejercicio y la página del workbook, ¿ok? Entonces, vas a copiar esto o lo vas a imprimir y vas a ilustrarlo, ¿ok? And you are going to repeat the words 3 times. También vas a escribir las palabras 3 veces. And that's it for today, class. Remember to practice spelling bee. Recuerda que es muy importante que practiques todos los días spelling bee, ¿ok? And goodbye, class. Sing the goodbye song.